Hi, my name is Salman Riaz. I'm from Era24 UK, and now I'm going to show you in this video Monster One, another theme demo, and we are going to search in this time content creator. So we are going to write content and let's see. So here we have got so many beautiful themes. Now we are going to select one from them and we can write here in WordPress content, enter, and here are the WordPress themes. So I'll be looking for a nice theme, and this will be KALIA. So as usual, you will see the details from here or live demo via this button, and I've already opened this theme, so you can see the templates or the screenshots. You can see this screenshot. This is the next. And so now we are going to see the live demo. So I already opened here, so you can just click here live demo and you will see. Before that, you can come down and have a look more information about this theme. And the features. So now we are going to the demo, how the website will look like after we will importing the theme demo. It has got some pages about, sponsor, platform, FAQs, and contact. So this is the website we are going to create now. And right now our website is here, kalia.era24.co.uk, and I'm refreshing in front of you. So it is the basic by default, the by default page you see now, and now we are going to log in. After you are logged in, then we are going to appearance, and then we are going to add theme. I have already added this theme, so the same thing you will go once you will download the theme from there, then you can just upload, and then here you can also upload a child theme. So I'm going to activate child theme. Now our website look like this after activating the theme. So it is empty and it is showing only by default hello world post. Now we come back to dashboard again. We are going to install the associated plugins. So we click installing plugin. We are going to install all plugins in bulk. Select all, install, apply. Now it is going very quickly. All plugins are almost installed. After that, we are going to click this link. Now we are going to activate them. select all, activate, apply. Now you see the message, all plugins activated successfully. Now we go back to the dashboard. You can later on register or create an account, but I'm not going to create an account right now. I'm just going to import the demo. So we are going to exit by clicking this X. So now we will come back to appearance, and then we look for import demo data, and demo data is going to show the KALIA child theme, and here is the blue button you need to press to import the theme demo data. After clicking, you will see this page. These plugins are also well working with them, so we are going to install all of them. Continue. This is a nice looking website. It has got so many features. You can put or upload your videos here as well. Sidebar, nice for donation or for your services. We will go back again to our dashboard. Now all plugins are installed. So I will come back once they are all installed and the theme demo is imported, because after that it is going to import the theme demo. Now the content is importing, and I will put link of this theme in description, so you can just have a look under this video description. There are links to get benefit with this theme. Just download and then import as I'm showing you here. Just follow these steps, so it will be much easier, and within 10 minutes you will be getting your website ready. The import is completed now. As you can see this green check sign. Now we are going to visit our website to have a look. We just refresh and let's see. So as you can see, our website is ditto the same as I showed you the theme demo sample, and our website is fully imported with images and everything. So this is the way you can create your own website within 10 minutes. If you get any kind of issues or problem, just contact me in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share my videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.